Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need the current screen time passcode or the Apple ID that set it. Once done, unlock the iPhone or iPad and open Settings. Scroll down to Screen Time and tap it. This lands you on the control panel. Make sure you're on the device where you want the passcode changed. Now tap Change Screen Time Passcode. That first tap moves you from setup into the actual change flow, so stay focused for the next steps. Next, follow the prompts. After tapping Change Screen Time Passcode again, the device asks for the current passcode. Enter it exactly. If you have Face ID or Touch ID enabled, authentication won't replace the numeric entry for this step, so type the digits. Once accepted, you'll be asked to enter a new passcode. Choose between a 4- or 6-digit format if given the option. Pick something memorable but not obvious, then confirm the new code. Finally, re-enter the new passcode exactly when prompted and tap Done to finish. You'll see Screen Time reflect the updated passcode immediately. Make sure other family devices using Screen Time share settings if you want the change to apply across devices. If the device prompts for Apple ID to reset and you know it, use that option to recover a forgotten passcode. If you're locked out without Apple ID access, contact Apple support and have proof of purchase ready as your primary troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.